Hey everyone! If you're looking to make money while you sleep, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how investing in stocks can create a stream of passive income that'll let your money work for you. First off, let's talk about dividends. These are regular payouts that companies give to their shareholders. Imagine waking up and seeing cash added to your account just because you own a piece of a company. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades. It's like having a reliable paycheck without lifting a finger. Another great way to earn passively is through growth stocks. These are shares in companies that are expected to grow faster than the market average. Think tech giants like Apple and Amazon. As these companies grow, so does the value of your investment. This means you can sleep soundly knowing your wealth is increasing over time. But remember, diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different industries and asset types, you reduce risk. This way, if one sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio isn't wiped out. Lastly, don't forget to reinvest your dividends. This is a simple yet powerful move. Instead of taking the cash out, use it to buy more shares. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. So there you have it. With dividends, growth stocks, and smart diversification, you can set yourself up for a steady stream of passive income. Start investing today, and let your money work for you while you catch some Z's. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.